Welcome to the Grand Design 2025 Lineage 25FW. We just got in, first one at Colton RV. I'm going to do a little walk around demonstration of this today for you. But this thing's beautiful. It's got full body paint. The color scheme is sleek. Blackout wheels. It has an entertainment center that is standard, which is awesome. It's got a nice big TV in there. This one comes with propane right here. Lithium-ion batteries are standard in this. You got a storage compartment here. You have a 1,000-watt inverter. Pure sine. This also comes with the Rockford Fosgate sound system. This thing is, sound is great. They give you an outlet over here. We have a propane quick disconnect for you for doing your grilling needs right here, but simple and easy. But these blackout wheels look awesome. A nice big awning here. It's got the LED light strip out here so you can have some late night camping. But this thing is sleek. It's their M series. Got a nice big storage, plastic, the easy cleaning right there. They got a molded rear cap too on this thing. You got side cameras and rear cameras built in. You got a 5,000-pound hitch rating right here. Another great feature this has is the Truma AquaGo tankless water heater. Got more additional storage here. Comes with a 30-amp power cord, your outdoor shower right here, and your cord for that. And then there's your drains for your black, your gray, and your fresh. Here's a gravity fill, your 30-amp power hookup. Nice big storage. This is under the bed. Little storage area here. Keep your water hose in there. I love the new sleek rectangular windows. Here's your side cameras. I love the look. They use a real heavy duty board on their side of their slide outs. You got the Mercedes-Benz chassis. It just looks really sleek with the Lineage and the full body paint and the color scheme that they went with. They have 8 colors, 4 darker ones and 4 pearl. Let's go on to the inside. You have your speakers right here. Look at that power step came right out here. You got your power right here for your lithium-ion batteries. Very convenient for you. You got a great easy spot to turn on your battery disconnect, turn your lights on as you walk into it. And then you have your leveling jacks right there. Let's walk on into this beautiful Lineage 20-foot full wall slide. Look at all the space in here. This thing is massive. They really incorporated some cool things. They have a new a safe built into both of their headrests so that you can keep your cell phone and extra cash or anything that you needed to keep in there. This is awesome, but it's kind of, you don't even know that it's there. Up here, they did go with like a charcoal design. They have a power shade for your window screen, which is really nice. Swivels around. You have a table and feet, and this is your cushion to make this into a bed. It's a nice size bed for somebody. So here we got the privacy screens up here for your full privacy for all your camping needs. But this thing is beautiful. I love how this got like a charcoal darker finish with the soft touch, very well insulated ceilings. You got your touch panel right up here. You also have your, if you wanted interior sound and radio on, you can use your system right there. But it gives you all your integrated stuff for all your screens, your lights, the dimmable screens, generator, your heat sources, slide out mechanisms, and then you have your settings. This thing is beautiful. There's also a little bit of hidden storage up under here too. The storage in here is just awesome for a 25 feet 8-inch motorhome. So this does have the propane option in this one. So this lifts up like this. This tucks back here like this. Has your ventilation system right here for doing your grilling. So it's got both the shades, so you have your day and your night blinds, whichever way you want to go, but that's so easy to use. You can disconnect it too. These windows are awesome because they open fully, and then you can just lock it in and see how much airflow you can get. You're using that whole full opening on all your windows. That is awesome. And then you just lift it out to close it. Get your security right there, and it locks in and snaps in. You have to hit the button to get it to open, which is great. Plenty of storage under here too. Keep a small garbage can. They have these little locks on them too, which is very nice, and it does come with a cutting board that's standard with you. And then this is a screen, so this thing's pretty cool up here. This is a brand new design by Grand Design, and they go, and you got this little rack so you can wash and rinse. You have a cup rinse too, which is really cool. All stainless steel, easy to use. All right, let's go into the back part of it. So we got some more storage for your clothes. They got these nice pull-out shelves, so you can put stuff in there, your socks, t-shirts. Here's your privacy screens right here. And the great thing too is they got these little clips up here, so you can actually do a privacy screen up here when you're sleeping at night. But now look at the size of this bed. You got a beautiful mattress, very comfortable, but this is a 70 by 80 mattress. You don't see that in a 25-foot motorhome. Multiplex wiring, TV comes standard with it. And look at the size of that closet right there. That is awesome. There's outlets in there too, as well as an HDMI cable. If you wanted to put a DVD player into here, you can do that and hook it into the TV. And then I'm just gonna open up one of these here. But wow, the construction, the real wood on all these cabinets is awesome. I love the color scheme with the contrast of the light and the medium brown and then the darker ceiling. It looks really nice in here. And the light's dim as well. And then I'll go take you in over here and go in this bathroom. It has very nice space. They integrated a nice like mat because you don't want to be slipping when you get into it. So once you get into this, you know, you got plenty of space, and you got a nice easy door to close. And then it has a nice squeegee, so it'll squeegee off the water so you don't get the water spots. But you'll have a handle here. You have a dual spots for your rinsing. It's got a nice light up here with the skylight, a spot to hang some towels or a robe. And you got a porcelain toilet, and then you got some storage for different things that you may need. And then you got a nice big cabinet up here for your toothbrushes. But this thing is beautiful. Also comes in a couple different floor plans. There is a dinette option as well, but this has the theater seats. Seat belts for everybody if you're going to bring someone with. And then it does have the power option that works off the inverter, which is great. But I'm ready to take you camping, so give Chuck a call. Thanks.